As with any ventilation system, the most important thing to check is the spigot size on the fan or unit. If the spigot is 125mm, the system is designed for 125mm round ducting. For medium airflow ventilation systems, a common duct size used is the 125mm ducting system. When round ducting cannot be installed due to space restrictions, it can be converted to flat channel ducting using a round to rectangular adapter. The most common flat channel system for 125mm ventilation is 204x60mm. However, the 150x70 system is a useful alternative, providing similar airflow while offering a different shape for installations where more depth is available but width is limited. Compared with the 204x60 system, the 150x70 duct is narrower but deeper. This can be useful in ceiling voids or boxed duct runs where space is restricted in one direction. The system includes standard components such as straight duct sections, connectors, bends and adapters, allowing complete duct runs to be created. A typical installation may run from the ventilation unit through 125mm round ducting, converting to 150x70mm flat channel ducting, and exiting through an external wall grille. Choosing the correct duct shape depends on the available space and installation layout.